Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to use the Gemini Live AI Visual Q&A Assistant in your SAMSUNG Galaxy S25 FE. So, at first we need to find the application called Gemini on our phone. It's actually pre-installed, but if it's not, you can install the application on your Google Play Store. If you open that, now we have new chat. We have to open this free alliance with this AI emoji, icon, and now we have live.
I'm Gemini.
Here we can skip, more, okay.
Alright, let's dive right in, whenever you're ready.
And now I will pause that, and here we have two buttons. With this button we can open the camera, and actually can see everything that's here in real life. And here we have our button on the screen, so we can share our screen and ask what's on the screen. Let's start with the camera. Hi Gemini, could you please tell me how much does this phone cost?
That looks like an iPhone 16 Pro Max. The price can vary depending on storage size and where you buy it, but they generally start around $1,200. Would you like me to find the exact price for a specific model or in a particular location?
No. So now please tell me, where can I buy this flower?
That's a nice looking artificial plant. You can usually find them at home goods stores like IKEA or Home Goods, or even online at places like Amazon or Etsy. Do you want me to help you find some specific options?
Okay, and at final, let's check if it recognizes our logo. Could you please tell me what company this logo is?
That's the logo for Graphene Square. Are you looking for information?
No, it's not their logo. This is our logo, HardReset.Info logo, but that's how the camera actually looks like. Now let's go and share him our screen. Share screen. Hey Gemini, please tell me how to enter the web browser.
Sure thing. It looks like you're on a Samsung phone. You can open the internet browser by tapping the blue icon labeled Internet on your home screen. It's in the bottom right corner of the second group of icons.
As you can see, it works well when we ask him questions. Let's open the internet. Hey Gemini, please tell me how can I search for the Wikipedia in this phone now?
Now that you've got the internet browser open, you can search for Wikipedia by tapping the search bar at the top of the screen and typing Wikipedia into it.
Okay, I'm here, but how to search for that actually now? What do I do now?
Alright, you're doing great. Now that you've typed Wikipedia into the search bar, you should see it appear in the search suggestions below. Just tap on it to go to the Wikipedia website.
As you can see, he is right. So, actually, how it works is just only we can ask the questions, type the microphone or text input as a contextual question like what outfit is better for the cold weather today, because he can see the weather that's currently outside based on our location, and your voice input should trigger, as you could see in my video. Yes, he should analyze the camera as you could have seen with the iPhone or with the flower, and he should provide good answer. But of course, it's only AI, so it doesn't really always give you the best answers. So please be cautious. And actually, that's it. I hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.